Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks again for joining me. Kind of a special one today. This one's personal, not for me, but it's for my uncle. He's an awesome guy, super duper Canadian. I honestly, he's just a super guy. One of my favorite uncles, well, my favorite uncle actually, always has been. Used to have a charity organization. The guy's just everywhere and everywhere to help people. So I want to do something nice just for him. So we're going to do him a Canadiana type watch today. I got a really nice dial here with a texture on there, kind of like snow. So I figure that's kind of fitting, you know, as for where we are. I've already clipped our dial feet. I did that quickly, and I already put the dial on the movement here. I haven't. And I installed the chapter ring and the crystal. So trying to make this a relatively quick one, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. Pardon me. Well, I hope everybody is doing swell. Whoops. I already did a couple of builds, blew the thumb out of my glove, put on a new glove, and blew the thumb out right away. I don't know. Feel like Griselda from Hilarious House of Frightenstein. It's just one of those days. Oh, and if you know who that is, you are a true Canadian. Alrighty. Now, like I say, my uncle is gotta be the most patriotic Canadian I've ever met. I don't care, for the politicians. They're just there for the money, right? My uncle, however, he actually gives a damn about the country and about the people in it. So I hope he enjoys this watch that I'm making for him. It's a gift from the family. What little we have left. You know, went to a friend's birthday party not too long ago and see a bunch of people I haven't seen in a long time. It was nice, but that's looking all right. Good. Table's raised. Let's get the second hand on real quick-alike. Alrighty. There you are. Now let's go for a spin. Make sure we're clearing. No. I knew that was going to happen. And that second hand clunks down like that, which it does every now and again. Tends to get down a little hard. Get down! And we're good over here. Yes, sir. We good all round. Well, let's take her for a spin. And it's actually going to be a really sharp looking watch. I like the red and the white. Looks pretty good. Everybody does blue and white. Excellent. Turning over pretty good. I like it, I like it, I like it. Now, let's get this guy cased and get a crown sized for us. Come on, you. There we go. Think I was just being blind? I think I was just being blind. Alright, quick. Make sure that's clean. That was on the outside? Yes. Okay, good. I almost had a heart attack. Thought don't touch it with the burr finger. Don't touch it with the burr finger. We are all the way in. That's looking sharp, son. I like it, I like it. Where's my crown? Oh, right there. Where's the stem? Oh, that's right. We have to get a different one. Oh, that's right. Nope, I got one right here. Ha! Here's the stem. I had a stem on this crown, but it came out of a watch a guy sent me. And I just realized that somehow that turkey got the stem out of one of these. And then just reused that. I don't know how the hell he did that, but good on him, I guess. I'm gonna go about there. And it there and 2 threads. There and 2 threads. Right in the garbage. Oh, in case anybody cares, yes, I do have actually a pin vise coming, so maybe make this part of my life a little bit easier. Good eyeballs would help. The glasses don't hurt. Don't look through the camera. Hold your tongue the right way. That's right. Think good thoughts. See? It all works out. Why do I feel like I'm just turning in there? Yeah! Get the son of a gun in there. Alright. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to trim some of that anyway, so I'm not going to get too carried away. Yeah. I think for sure we gonna be trimming. We gonna be trimming. Yeah, just a little. Just a little. Alrighty, well. I guess we trim. Whoops. Yeah, that was just a smidge. So again, we're going like smidge. Like 2 threads. There. Barely an adjustment. But we're nice and tight. All right, tighten down. I'm gonna grab, for the moment, we're just gonna use a temporary case back because I'm waiting on some more of mine own from the engravers. So I'm just gonna put one on here temporarily. Keep everything clean and tidy. Not even gonna worry about tightening it down. Let's get bezel and a crick spring. A bezel and a crick spring. Crick spring. Oh, I guess we need, shouldn't have put away the lube. We need some lube. Oh, come on. Wow. Come here, you. There, get in there. All right. I just hope, honestly, that I have a strap big enough, because you know movies or books you read about barrel-chested men, you know, like great big just bears of a man. That's my uncle. He's got bloody Johnsonville brats for fingers. So I genuinely hope I've got a bracelet that'll fit. I don't know, it's a 50-50. It really is. I mean, I think he wears Velcro straps for exactly that reason. But I don't know. We shall see what we can do. I figure we'll be able to make it work. If not, we'll get him a different strap. That's also not the end of the world. But I do have some newly released colors from StrapXPro. And I think a red one would look, you know it. You know what I'm gonna say. You know it. It would look fun to buy. Alright. Let's get this insert on. Some stuff brushed off. Now, I always find it easier to put the sticker on the bezel insert rather than on the bezel itself. Personal preference, I guess. Really. Don't think it matters in any way, shape, or form. Okay. Whoop, son of a gun. Now this is going to be my Christmas present to my favorite uncle. 'Cause he's an awesome dude. He taught me a lot of stuff when I was a kid. A lot of crazy stuff. Yeah. But no, he's a super good guy. And he deserves something awesome. There we go. I think we just made it. Just made it. Yeah. Son of a... Yeah, we're good. Give it a go round. Wunderbar. Perfect. Red-ass crown. Now, give me 1 sec. I gotta grab a strap. I didn't grab that. Hang on. All right. So, here's the strap I'm going with. I think it's gonna look awesome. Get my spring bar tool. Get rid of these guys. These come with spring bars. These ones are specifically for the SKX. Ah, magic trick. Okay. Let's just get these put on. Just like so. Easiest straps in the world, I swear. Oops. Ta-da. Done. Now we'll put our clasp on. Get the spring bars out of there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Stuck by the staple. Und stuck by the staple. Stick spring bar in there. Stick spring bar in there. Which way's down? That way's down. So that way's down. At least this is the way I put my clasps on. Done and done. And done. And done. Just like that. So easy. Well, there you are. I always flip the watch around the upside down way. I think that looks pretty darn good. My uncle's Canada watch. Christmas Canada watch. I think that looks pretty awesome. Whoa, I got that in the wrong place. That's okay, we can fix that. Here, watch. Just do it like this. Move it over where it needs to be. Oh, I don't know why that spring bar tool or that, yeah, it just never wants to sit, or it just, let me try that again. For some cases, it just wants to be the whole, you know, too big. There we go. Now it's sitting right. Excellent. Well, let's do a quick loom shot. And we'll see where we are. See where we is with this guy. All right. Pretty darn good loom, too. Well, thanks again, everyone. Appreciate you joining me. Please come back again. Love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Lots more coming. Always going to be more to see. Cheers, everyone. Have a great day. Take care.